We are starting to get ready for the 4th of July fireworks. We have people which are like right by the building right here. I don't think you guys can see it that well. Sorry, that was my mom that did that. And we got some new people right here, and we got more people in this section. And I got my 4th of July spinner here. If I'm doing this is a false alarm. This is for the other people. But I can't give you a sneak peek. I know it's like hard to see the trees right there, but maybe my gear can help. Maybe if I turn it off. All you can see is complete darkness. So that was just a sneak preview. I know that some of the lights aren't on yet because it's a bit dark here. Let me see. And pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. And there's that drone right there. If you can see it, it's like very high in the sky, so it can be pretty hard. You can see it. And this is a special one for Rosie because I watched her video about her 4th of July special and said I should make this video for her. So if you want the link to that, I'll post it in the description below so you can go check it out. Right now we hear some fireworks noises from right here. I think, yeah, you see some light there. To get a little dark now, and there's some little stars up there. I don't think you can see that well. But maybe there's So let's just my thing here. I'll just turn off for a second. Oh, that was a big one. Alright, this is gonna take a little long, so I'm just gonna wait here till the fireworks actually start right here.